is a gift, my life has a plan, my life has a purpose and hath yet began. My choice was to come to this lovely heaven earth and seek forget light to direct me from birth. I will follow God's plan for me, holding fast to His word and His love.